Hello everybody, today I'm going to be building the, do you guys know Tomas? Tomas and Friends, you know, that crazy train show. Well, anyways, I got a custom version of me. Custom train, like, version of me. I'm just like Diesel 10, but I'm like red, and I have like a claw, I have a claw that's so fucking long. So I was actually gonna try and build this, try and build that version of me with these Legos, like red and everything. So let me see here. What are we gonna need? We're gonna need quite a bit of pieces. I'm not gonna lie. Is the camera still rolling? Please let it be still rolling. Apparently, my storage, I don't know, Other was taking up all my storage, and I have no idea what Other was. But I took a picture, or my mom took a picture of me in my Five Nights at Freddy's costume. And so, I deleted it, and that got rid of most of it. Not all of it, but most of it. And there's like a whole bunch more of Other, and I don't know what it is, so. Let me know in the comments down below if you know what Other is. Because I got no clue. Anyways, for my custom train-like self. Anyways, what's so cool about this version of me is that I stole a magical artifact that's giving me like superpowers, or I guess you would say, but most likely it gives me like this evil, satanic. Anyways, so in my custom Tomas and Friends train version, which is the red version of Diesel 10, which is me. I have like the. So I have. So the custom version of me in a train form is, my name is Diesel. My name is Diesel 666. And basically, I'm just like Diesel 10, but I'm red, and my claw is like way longer. Like my claw could reach like, I don't know, what is it, like, I think it's like 10 to 20 feet in front of me. So that's how long my claw is. Oh, no. Wait. No, I was going to put the lights up top. Sorry, my bad. I got these light strips that are really cool. So, let me see here. Let me see here. How is this going to go? I think it's gonna go a 1x4, I guess, and another 1x4. No, not a 1x4. A 1x2. Actually, yes. Okay, never mind. We're gonna need the 1x4. And we're also gonna need. Let me see here. So I got some bad news for you guys. Apparently, the fucking field trip, apparently the camping field trip that I had planned for this Thursday got canceled and got rescheduled. So, So, it wasn't last Saturday. Okay, last Saturday and the Saturday last week, but the week after that, me and my cousin Ethan, we agreed on, well, this week. Today's Thursday. I think, I don't know, I chose like Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, you know, somewhere around there. So I went to his house for family night, and I said, "Hey, Ethan, you ready? You ready? Like, are you ready, Ethan? 2 more days, and me and you can go camping." So he's like, "Yay!" So you know, we're like, "All right, yeah, I can't wait." And then we're like, or not that Saturday. Last week, the last Saturday. Last week, but the week after that. That's what we said. So then 1 week later, which was last week. Anyways, I went to his house for family night, and I was like, "Hey, Ethan, you ready to go camping?" Like a few more days, and then he's like, "Ooh, sorry, Tanner. We actually have school for another 5 more days, so maybe Thursday." So I was like, "Okay, all right. I guess Thursday can work." And then so I had to wait like another 5 days, and well, I guess you can say, well, here I am. So, you know, here I am 5 days later, and it's the Thursday. So here I am 5 days later, and it's Thursday, and so, but last week on the Saturday, he told me that he has school for like another 5 days. So then I waited for So then we rescheduled again, and we picked Thursday, which is today. So today is Thursday, and I was like, "Hey, Ethan, are you ready?" So, well, anyway, sorry, I'm not making any sense at all. But basically, we're gonna have to paint this red, by the way. So. Well, sorry, anyway, so last week he told me that he had school for another 5 days, so I had to wait 5 more days, and here I am on a Thursday. So he said, "Sorry, Tanner, I have school for like another 5 days until like Thursday or something, and then Thursday is gonna be a half, and then Thursday is gonna be a half off day, and so maybe then." Or something like that. So I waited for another 5 days. Today's Thursday. And I just got a message from my aunt that he has a fucking party to go to. So not that, but basically, it's been rescheduled. And now, now my aunt is telling me that I have to wait another 2 days just to go camping. So now I have to wait 2 more days just to go camping. And at this point, I'm just like, you know something? It's not worth it no more. At this point, I'm just like, well, I don't think it's worth it no more. It's ridiculous. She expects me to wait 2 more days just for... I don't know. I got fucking triggered. Like, I was not happy. I was fucking mad. I was not in the good mood. All day today, I was not in a good mood. All day today, I've been triggered. And it doesn't stop there. I don't know, I was just so fucking mad. I was just like disappointed, I guess you could say. So now I literally have to wait like another 2 days. I don't know. I'm getting denied over here. I'm getting absolutely denied. And when I heard from her that, oh sorry Ted, or sorry sweetie, Ethan and Nick, the boys have a birthday party to go to. And I was like, what? 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 A birthday party? Where did this birthday party come from? You never told me about a birthday party. You should warn me. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my cousins. I'm like, and then I sent this text saying, I guess I'm just gonna have to cancel the fishing trip because and then I sent a message, sorry Aunt, I guess I'm just gonna have to cancel the fishing trip because I'm absolutely disappointed right now. The guy was mad all day long that she actually legit just said it to me. And boy, I was triggered hard. I was raging all over. Bruh, I don't know. Ugh, you stupid phone. Of course my battery's at 20%. Why not? So, I know it doesn't like really blend in, but I'm gonna have to paint this red. So, do we have a 1x2? Of course not. But yeah, when she said that the boys... But anyways, when she said that the boys had a birthday party to go to... Homie, I was not in a good mood. Bro, I was pissed. I was pissed the fuck off. Bro, I was pissed the fuck out. I was not in a good mood all day today. Bro, I was fucking done. You know, I was like, you know something? I'm starting to realize that these birthday parties or this fishing, camping stuff is just not worth it no more. Like, I thought to myself, well, maybe this fishing camping stuff is just not worth it no more. Because every time I plan something, something just has to get in the way. And literally, what got in the way from me going fishing with my cousins, with my only friends that I have? What got in my way? A birthday party. A fucking birthday party. That got in the way. Every time I plan something like that, something just has to get in the way. It's like I'm not meant. Okay. We are sort of on track. The phone's about to die here in a second, so hold on. Let me see if I can get this, I won't reach. Fuck. Plug in, you fucking bitch. I'm gonna plug in the phone real quick. Oh shit, sorry. Hold on, this backpack is in my way. Yeah, I got some camping stuff. Ah, shit. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. You're pretty low to the ground, but I gotta let the phone charge. So, I think the phone is charging. I'm not for sure. Me have the hiccups. Me wish hiccups go away. So I literally got to take parts of this van. I mean, it's brand stinking new. I mean, I literally just built this and now I'm tearing it down like I'm some kind of beep and a beep. Hold on. We should have a 1x1. So I'm probably not going to film this video too long because it probably won't upload. Oh, my monkey. We don't have an actual monkey. That's the name of a dog. Oh man, we don't have a 1x1. Ugh. These 1x1s are hard to find, hard to run across, bro. I'm telling you. Yeah, we'll save it. I guess that'll work. I mean, it's not perfect, but... Yeah, sorry if you hear music in the background. That's actually a Five Nights at Freddy's speed paint video. No, we don't have any... Did it just get dark all of a sudden? Let me turn on my lamp. Yeah, we'll leave this out. We might be able to build something like it. Okay, so I'm going to show you my progress, and this is what I got. I got the claw right here that we'll have installed, and I was going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I'll finish this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after.